Yo, we are starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is a McDonald's going 3.5 miles.
What's that for you?
Thank you. The classic no tip to start off the day. Total for that ended up being $4, and we got the next order right away. This is Mr. Maple Donuts going 4 miles. Morning. We got Jeremiah. This one? Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good one. Total for that order was just under $7. Going back to McDonald's, this order is going 2 miles.
You got a DoorDash?
Yeah, that one's mine.
Double check the good, please. That's all. Thank you.
Total for that order was $6, and we got the next one right away. This is Seize the Bagel going across the river. Oh boy. This one's going 10 miles. Oh, this is such a bad order. Why am I even taking this?
Alicia D, awesome.
Yeah.
Can you just confirm that for us real quick?
So dumb. Such a waste of time. Total for that order was $9. And you guessed it, no tip. Plus, I have to drive all the way back. So yeah, for anybody that's watching, don't do any of that. Don't order from 10 miles plus, especially if it's crossing state border. Don't no tip. And if you're a driver, don't take those orders because they're not worth it. It took me 15 minutes after that drop off to get back into my zone. At least we got the next order as soon as we got back. This is Subway going 4 miles.
Right here, everything else is in the back.
Thank you. I've been here before. This guy's a no tipper. Yep. Total for that was $3. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going 2.5 miles. Yes, thank you. Total for that order was $5 and change. Bro, what is this? We got a Wendy's going 3 miles.
Hello, right there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Right there.
Sure. Total for that was $6 and change, and we got the next order right away. This is Burger King going 3 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $6 and change. Just got the next order. This is Taco Bell going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $5 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 2.5 miles.
6 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Can I get out that way?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. Total ended up being $8 for that one. Next order up, we've got Victoria's Cafe. This one is going to be going 4 miles.
Pepsi.
Thank you.
Good one for morning.
You too. Total was $7 and change, and we got the next order right away. This is Georgie's Garage and Grill, going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
That says Kathy, right?
Yes. Such a cute dog.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $11. Pretty good order. And we got the next one right away. This is Black Rock Coffee, going 2.5 miles. Hello, Chelsea. Thank you. Hello.
Hi. Thank you.
Have a good day. No tip on that one. Total was $3. Next order, Sherry's, going 5 miles. Thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. We got the next order right away. This is Muchas Gracias, going 6 miles. Hello. Just got a DoorDash pickup. Thank you. Total for that order was $7 and change. I kind of want to end it here. I'm really close to home, and that temptation to go lay back in bed, pretty high right now. I think we're gonna go ahead and do that. Current time is 10:10. Total, we are at 97. Now imagine if everybody tipped today, you would be well over $100. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.